What's up, tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel for part 2 of our deep dive into the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub this week. In this video, we're going to explore a fantastic collection of tools, from a high-performance algorithmic trading platform that lets you backtest and trade seamlessly, to a private AI avatar factory for offline video creation, and even a hub dedicated to mastering LLMs, RAGs, and real-world AI agents. Get ready to discover some truly unique.
This is gonna be a great time for open source GitHub projects. I ain't gonna lie to you, especially with the times that we in right now. Everything kind of stagnant because it's pay to play, but there's gonna be a lot of free stuff and IoT projects. Oh, I can't wait for it, especially with robotics. My baby Tony stocks.
Project number 1, Krillin AI, your one-click solution for global video reach. Tired of manually translating and dubbing your videos for different platforms? Introducing Krillin AI, a game-changing tool designed to effortlessly take your video content global.
You see, this not too interesting. Krillin AI like a knockoff LLM product that's not there yet. You know what I mean? Like a Dolly in the making. Next.
Project number 2, 21st.dev Magic MCP. It's like V0 but in your cursor/windsurf/climb. What truly sets 21st Dev Magic MCP apart is its revolutionary approach to UI development directly within your preferred IDE. Imagine being able to generate beautiful, modern UI components instantly simply by describing what you need in natural language. That's the power of its AI-powered UI generation.
This is it right here.
Inspired by the 21st.dev library right before your eyes. This seamless integration with Cursor, Windsurf, and VS Code Plus Client eliminates context switching and streamlines your workflow like never before.
I wonder if you could use any language though. That's the real question. Because if you could use any language, yeah, that's a game changer. That's better than VO. Next.
Project number 3, Agent RPC, the universal translator for your AI agents. Tired of your AI agents being stuck in their own technological silos? Introducing Agent RPC, a revolutionary project designed to be the universal RPC layer for your AI agents, effortlessly connecting them to any function, in any language, across any network boundary in mere minutes.
See, this one got the potential to be a universal API, something that could communicate with other databases. You know how we do B2B business? It's going to be like that for AI agents. Curious to see how that goes. I'm going to check that out later. Next.
Project number 4, Graffiti, the living knowledge graph for smarter AI agents. Experience real-time intelligence. Graffiti, a groundbreaking framework that's redefining how AI agents understand and interact with the world around them.
See, this is a good project, but a project like this is going to need heavy investors, big money too, because it's going to need NVIDIA to make sure this scales on a level that it could make money too. But right now, it's just a good open source project to have on your local host. Next.
Project number 5, Unlock Cursor AI's full potential. Say goodbye to trial limits and hello to seamless access. Ever hit that frustrating "you've reached your trial request limit" message with Cursor AI? Well, prepare to break free.
This one is not too interesting enough. If people are not willing to invest in the IDE, you know, check it out. Next.
Project number 6, Fleet DM, the open source powerhouse for IT and security. Are you tired of juggling multiple tools to manage your diverse IT and security landscape? Let's talk about Fleet DM, an open source platform that uniquely brings together IT, security, and infrastructure teams under a single, powerful umbrella. What truly sets Fleet DM apart is its foundation on Oscary, an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to query your operating systems. This means you gain unprecedented visibility into your Linux, macOS, Chrome, and Windows devices, whether they're in the cloud, a data center, or even IoT devices. Unlike proprietary solutions,
Yeah, this is going to be a good one. I'm going to check it out because even when it comes to building your software, you want to build it with Agile and you want to make sure that you want to build it in spurts and each spurt is like securely made, not to like cover everything because you really don't know. So you kind of want the fluidity to go back in your code to kind of like change something on the fly, something that you notice, stuff like that. So Fleet looks like something that could help out with that process too. Definitely going to check that one out. Next.
Project number 7, OpenBB, the free and open source financial powerhouse. Tired of expensive paywalls and black box algorithms dictating your investment decisions? Welcome to OpenBB, a truly unique project that stands out as the first completely free and fully open source financial platform available to everyone, everywhere. What makes OpenBB so revolutionary is its commitment to democratizing investment research by providing unfettered access to a vast universe of financial data, spanning equities, options, cryptocurrencies, forex, macroeconomics, fixed income, and beyond, all within a transparent and customizable framework.
I'm gonna check this out because I want to make a trading bot of my own, and if I could make it based off of some of the stuff that you are giving access for free, man, that's a score. I'm not gonna lie. Now it's about accuracy and how accurate I can make it. Hopefully the data is accurate. I don't want to make a bot that's just losing every time. For all those who want to tackle on a project of trading algorithmic AI and stuff like that, check this one out too. But let's check out the next one. Next.
Project number 8, HeyGem AI, your private AI avatar factory. Clone yourself and create videos offline. Imagine having a digital twin that looks and sounds just like you, ready to star in your videos without ever needing an internet connection. That's the magic of HeyGem.ai, and what truly sets it apart is its ability to function as a fully offline video synthesis.
There's a lot of products like that. I'm not gonna say HeyGem isn't it. If you're looking for something like HeyGem, check it out. But I'm not personally looking for anything like to replicate me or have a twin. I want to be the one and only. That's just me. Next. Agent
Project
Hub.
number 9, Secrets of AI Engineering, Master LLMs, RAGs, and real-world AI agents with this unique open hub. Are you looking to dive deep into the exciting world of large language models, LLMs, and retrieval augmented generation, RAG, systems, and see how these cutting-edge technologies are applied in real-world AI agent applications? Then you've got to check out the AI Engineering Hub on GitHub. What truly makes this repository stand out is its comprehensive approach to bridging the gap between theoretical understanding and practical implementation. You won't just find isolated code snippets here. Instead, you'll discover in-depth tutorials designed to guide you through the intricacies of LLMs and RAGs, equipping you with the knowledge you need to truly grasp these concepts. But it doesn't stop there. The AI Engineering Hub goes the extra mile by showcasing real-world AI agent applications, providing tangible examples of how these technologies are being used to solve complex problems.
This sounds like a great ass project, right? Me trying to cut corners, because I ain't gonna lie to you, programming in 2025, I'm not gonna say I cut corners, but whatever to get the product out there as fast as possible in the most safest way is the best way, because you get to change it on the go. And you're always needed. So like it's a symbiotic relationship, and developers need to learn how to make that happen more than a one time or one stop shop, because that's not how you survive in this industry. You survive based off of getting more work. And just be a honest developer and you should be good. But what stops you from, just taking all the information on GitHub and just training another model? Well, I'm gonna say next.
Project number 10, Nautilus Trader, the high-performance algorithmic trading game changer. Ever dreamed of seamlessly transitioning your Python-based trading strategies from rigorous backtesting to lightning-fast live execution without rewriting a single line of code? That's the groundbreaking power of Nautilus Trader, and what truly distinguishes it is its unique fusion of high-performance Rust and Python core components with a user-friendly Python native environment. Unlike traditional platforms that often require re-implementing strategies in different languages for live trading, Nautilus Trader allows you to use identical strategy code for both backtesting and live deployments. This eliminates a major hurdle, significantly reducing operational risk and ensuring the accuracy of your trading logic. Furthermore, Nautilus Trader is designed with an AI-first philosophy, recognizing the increasing importance of machine learning in trading.
Personally, I don't have too much experience trading, but I'm interested in Natalia's Trader just for the mere fact that it's like supposedly a good trading bot or algorithm. It helps you with that. And that's kind of where I want to pivot to next because, making money online in 2025 goes to trading too. Check out these cool 10 projects. I only fuck with like 3, 4 of them.